This is, we are in a Miyagi Prefecture in a place called Shiroishi. And this is a brand new ryokan called the Yukawa in Shiroishi. We've been to Shiroishi before, one of the other luxury ryokans, a long time one called Shikinoyado Michinokuan, which we stayed before, which we enjoyed. But this one is, no more than a mile away from that location. So this is built in grand opening in 2005 September, so much less than a year old. It's very modern, but surrounded by nature, as you can see. No electric poles or wires, no other sign of civilization nearby. And over here, there's two private baths that you can rent. All rooms do have hot springs baths, but I guess they say the view is a little bit different from those baths. So it says private open air bath, stargazing bench. So we're really happy to have the opportunity to check this place out, especially while it's still brand new. Today, we have this place all to ourselves. It's popular, obviously. The peak is summer vacation, as well as during the Obon holidays, Golden Week, as well as during the autumn leaf season, which is in October. So this is Yukawa, the Yukawa Ichijo Shiten. So this the owner has multiple properties in the area. This is in an area called Kamasaki Onsen, which is has a 600-year history. And actually, the original ryokan by this owner has about a 500-year history. And this is kind of the door, the entrance door from a long time ago near Shiroishi Station, which where they had they offered accommodations right near the station before the guests moved on to the other ryokans that the owner had a little bit deeper in beyond the station. So at a time when traversing the Tohoku region was not exactly that simple. So down here is Yukawa, or the river. Kawa is river. So Yukawa River. We'll be able to see it from both the private bath as well as from the guest room. So this is the reception area, as well as a little a library and some souvenirs that they sell. This is the bar area. Onegaishimasu. And you can see the restaurant is up ahead right here, and then the other buildings are the guest room. So we have this place all to ourselves this time, so we'll be able to explore this property quite thoroughly, and we're really looking forward to it. The Yukawa in Shiroishi, Miyagi, in the Kamasaki Onsen area. So this is a view of the Yukawa River from the dining terrace. You can see here, so there's a row of koshitsu, or private rooms. So all guests have their own private dining room, but you can extend your dining pleasure out into the terrace, in which case it's kind of an open area, depending on the weather and bugs, your tolerance for bugs and stuff like that. So you can either eat indoors or just out of your private room, dining room, to the terrace. And so you can see over there, there is actually natural bamboo forest. So before there was anything, before the Yukawa was founded here, there was nothing here. So the owner just said, you know, I guess it was owned by Shiroishi City, but since it wasn't being used for anything, they were able to get their hands on this location to build the Yukawa. So you come in. Let me zoom in just a little bit. Hold on a second. So if you come in this way, they haven't made preparations yet for dining, but you can see this is every group of guests. So there's 11 rooms, so 11 group of guests, if it's full, has their own dining experience, and then you can eat either in here or out on the patio. So yeah, that's kind of how things are and at the Yukawa.